Hello everybody, I'm Teacher Richard from London Centre and this is English File Beginner. It's the first level in a series of 7 books. Okay, this is the beginner's level. It's for people that are starting on their journey to learn English. So, okay, let's go and have a look inside the book. Right, hello. Let's just briefly look at the contents of the English File Beginner's course. Okay, this is the first step in your English learning journey. There are 12 units in the course, and every course concentrates on the building blocks of English language. They are grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. So grammar is quite an important part of English language. You know, there are 12 tenses that we need to learn. Along the way, we need to learn new vocabulary. We need to build our vocabulary up so we're confident to talk about different parts of life using English. And then finally, pronunciation. We need to know how to pronounce the words correctly. Okay, so these are the 3 main parts. Now, you take grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation. This enables you to listen, and understand. It enables you to read books. It enables you to write essays, and of course, probably the most important part, communicate with other people, speaking. All right, so we have 12 units, and during every unit, there's different part of grammar covered, different vocabulary, and different pronunciation. At the end of every unit, we have something here called like Practical English or Revise and Check. Practical English, it concentrates on listening and speaking skills, and Revise and Check, well, it's exactly that. It's a revision of those 2 units, units 1 and 2, and we need to check your progress. So in this video course, you will have the opportunity to answer the question. I will give you time to answer the questions, before I start filling them in. Like that. And so as we go through here, I'll go through nice and slow, so you can stop it and have a look at the different topics. Not going to go into this in too much detail, but the beginner's course is like what we call a steep learning curve. From the moment you start, and then the learning curve gets quite steep, and you build up your confidence in all the different categories. Okay, so the beginner's course is a 12 unit course. Okay, and along the way there's communication sections, speaking. As you can see here, there's writing sections, listening, grammar, vocabulary, words and phrases to learn, regular and irregular verbs, and the sound bank, the pronunciation key. Okay, so this is Unit 1A. Within Unit 1, we have Unit 1A, we have Unit 1B, and then we have either Practical English or Revise and Check. So for each unit, there's approximately kind of three classes, if you like. So 12 units, so that means about 36 classes or 36 videos in that respect. So, okay, Unit 1A, we can clearly see here, Unit 1A, we can see that the title of Unit 1A is Hello. Because we're going to be talking about introductions. The first part of any language is meeting somebody and saying hello or hi. Now, in particular, here we can see we've got G, V, and P. Grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation. 1A, grammar. The verb to be, singular. I and you. So kind of singular kind of means like one item. It could be one person, it could even be like, for example, if like one apple. But okay, we're talking about the verb to be. So this is all to do with people, singular, I and you. Vocabulary, numbers, 0 to 10. So we're going to learn to count to 10. Okay, and days of the week, we're going to learn the days of the week. Pronunciation. So here we can see like some phonetic symbols. Now, When you see these for the first time, they probably look a bit odd, and you're probably thinking, well, what does that mean? Okay, so let me go down to the pronunciation section, and we'll just clear that up. So the pronunciation is, as you can see, it's got H, comma, like an AI, comma, and then like an I, and like a colon. So these are phonetic symbols for pronunciation. Now, H. It quite simply means the letter H, the beginning sound, h. And we can see here we've got a house. House begins with H, house. This one in the middle looks like an A and an I. It's the I sound, the long I. Bike, I, bike. And the last one, it's actually the E sound, the long E. Okay, so the symbol here is a tree, okay, and it's the E sound, tree, E, tree. Okay, so don't worry too much about these symbols. The important part is, within the chart here, and learning to pronounce words correctly. But we'll come back to this part. So, as we can see, Unit 1A, hello. It's the first lesson in the English courses that we have. There are seven levels, starting with beginner, and then elementary, pre-intermediate, until you get to the very top advanced. So this is the first level. It's the first step on your English journey. So let's go to number 1. Section 1, listening and speaking. Okay, so 1A, it says here, listen and repeat. So I'm going to click on the audio.
1.2. Hi, I'm Caroline.
Hello, I'm Harry Green.
Okay, so 2 short, simple introductions. So it says here, listen and repeat. This time we're going to listen and then we're going to repeat the audio. Okay, so you can watch me and then try it by yourself. Okay, here we go.
1.2. Hi, I'm Caroline.
Hi, I'm Caroline.
Hello, I'm Harry Green.
Hello, I'm Harry Green. What did we do there? We listened and then we repeated. So if we look at it again, okay, here. Hi, I'm Caroline. Caroline is the name for a female, and she's just using her first name. Over here, hello, I'm Harry Green. So Harry is the first name of a male, and Green is the surname. Now, okay, section B. Now use your name. Say hi or hello. Well, let me write my name. See if you can see what it is. Okay, so you've got to hover there. So, hi, I'm Richard. Hi, I'm Richard. Or I can say, like this. I can say, hello, I'm Richard. Hello, I'm Richard. Now, hi and hello. Hi is what we call more informal language. Okay, informal language. And hello would be more formal language. Okay, right now, okay, no need to worry about that. I will explain this part later. But they both are greetings, Hi, I'm Richard, or hello, I'm Richard. Okay, right, great. Let's move on to section C, read and listen. So we can either read it first and listen. Okay, I think we'll do that. So we have number 1, number 2, and number 3. We have a man and a woman at a party. Okay, man, woman, man, woman, man, woman. And as you can see, they have got like face masks of movie stars. So it's one of them parties where you pretend pretend to be a movie star for an hour or so. Okay, so let's look at the conversation. Okay, so this is Harry and Caroline. Harry: hello, are you Penelope Cruz? No, I'm not. I'm Julia Roberts. And you're George Clooney? Yes, I am. Very good. So you can see here, she has a face mask of Julia Roberts. He has a face mask of George Clooney. Like two American movie stars. You can Google the names and you'll see more about them. Okay, number 2, Harry. Now Harry introduces himself and he says, "Hi, I'm Harry. What's your name?" Caroline says, "Caroline, nice to meet you." Harry says, "Nice to meet you." So we normally say that, "Hi, I'm Harry. What's your name?" "Caroline, nice to meet you." "Nice to meet you." And then number 3, okay, at the end of the evening, time to go home. Harry says, "Goodbye." Caroline says, "Bye, Harry. See you on Friday." Okay. So again, we've got hello, formal, hi, informal. And obviously, when we're saying goodbyes, goodbye, formal type of language, bye, informal. Okay, I will explain those shortly. Okay, but we've just completed the first part of Unit 1, Introductions. Okay, so we're on to Part 2 of Unit 1A, and we're on to the grammar section. Okay, number 2, grammar, the verb to be, singular. Okay, it's like one. Okay, I and you. So, our task is to write I or you down here. Is to write I or you. So we can see in number 1 we've got Caroline. She's doing like this, and she's saying, "I'm Caroline. I'm Caroline." So okay, we're gonna put I in that. Probably we should put it more like over here, like that. Okay. So I'm Caroline. And then she's like making a gesture. You're Harry. I'm Caroline. You're Harry. Okay, like gestures, pointing to herself and then pointing to Harry. So number 2, we're going to write Y-O-U, and we're going to move that along so it looks a bit better. So it becomes your. I'm your. Okay. All right. Now, okay. Grammar Bank 1A, page 92. Fly to page 92. Okay, we're going to have a look at the grammar in a bit more detail. So here we can see, okay, 1A, verb to be, singular, I and you. Okay. Listen and repeat the examples, then read the rules. Okay, so let's listen.
1.5.
Let's put that up there.
I am Harry. I'm Harry.
I'm Harry.
You are Caroline.
You are Caroline.
You're Caroline.
You're Caroline.
I am not George.
I am not George.
I'm not George.
I'm not George.
You are not Julia.
You are not Julia.
You aren't Julia.
You aren't Julia. All right, so let me just explain that. Okay, we've got full form and we have contraction. And also we've got here positive and negative. So what does full form mean? Well, it means we write the words out in the full form, in complete form. So you can see here we have I am Harry, full form, and then contraction, we do I apostrophe M, I'm Harry. So again here, full form, you are Caroline. Contraction, you're Caroline, okay? Y-O-U apostrophe R-E. You are Caroline, you're Caroline. Negative. To change it from positive to negative, we're going to add in the word not, okay? So, positive, I am Harry. Negative, I am not George. I am not George. I'm Harry. Okay? And then you are not Julia. So, full form, I am not. Contraction, I'm not. You are not. You aren't. Okay, so just to look at that, we've got negative contractions down here. Okay, I am not means I'm not. You are not. You aren't. Or you're not. So a contraction, to contract something is to, make it shorter. Like compress it, contract it. And generally that's how native English speakers speak with contractions, okay? I always say, I'm Richard, not I am Richard. Okay, let's move on to the next one.
1.6.
Am I in class 2?
Yes, you are. No, you aren't.
Are you Caroline?
Yes, I am. No, I'm not.
Okay, in this one, we've got question mark, we're at a question, we have a positive response, and we have a negative response. So the question is, am I in class 2? Answer, positive, yes you are, or answer, negative, no you aren't. Okay, question, are you Caroline? Positive, yes I am. Negative, no I'm not. Okay, so these symbols are throughout the course. Question mark, a positive response, and a negative response. Okay, and a final note here is the word order in questions. The word order in question, we can see here we've got a positive, 2 positive sentences and 2 questions, like that. The word order in questions, you see the letter I, and here you, they change position depending on if it's a positive statement or a question, like that. So positive statement, I'm in class 2. I'm in class 2, and then you're Caroline. You're Caroline. If we change it to a question, it's like, am I in class 2? Am I in class 2? Or, are you Caroline? Are you Caroline? So, word order in questions, the word order. So let's check what we've just learned. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you some time to answer the questions, by yourself, and then I'll fill in the answer. Okay, so here, 1A, section A, complete with I'm or your. Okay, in the sample, hello, I'm Maria, what's your name? Okay, so number 1, is it I'm or your? Number 1, hi, Tony. Is it I'm or your? It's I'm. Okay, I'm Tony. Hi, I'm Tony. Number 2, hello, okay, space, your teacher, space, in my class. So, okay, I'm or your. That's all we're using, I'm or your, nothing else, okay? So, hello, click. I'm your teacher, and then you're in my class. Hello, I'm your teacher, you're in my class. Number 3, okay, space in class 4. Is it I'm or your? I'm or your. So we can see just one person there. So I'm in class 4. There's only one person. So if it's you'd need two people to have the conversation. Okay, so number 4. Okay, we have two people. So is it I'm or is it your? It's going to be your. Like, here's your key in a hotel. You're in room 3. There's your key. Okay, section B. Complete with I'm not or you aren't. Okay, so here, one person, singular. I'm not Tom, I'm Tony. I could say, I'm not David, I'm Richard. I'm not David, I'm Richard. Okay, so number 1, we've got two people. The woman's talking to the man. Is it I'm not or you aren't? Because it's two people, you aren't. Okay, you aren't in class 5, you're in class 4. Right, number 2. I'm not or you aren't. Again, we've got two people, a woman and a man. So it can only be you aren't. You aren't in room 6, you're in room 7. Okay, we have two people. Number 3. We've got 3 people in this picture. Okay, is it I'm not or you aren't? So as you can see here, we've got 3 people there, but this man is like kind of talking, he's talking to them, if you like. So in this situation, we would say, or he would say, I'm not Brad Pitt, I'm Leonardo DiCaprio. I'm not Brad Pitt, I'm Leonardo DiCaprio. Alright, okay, so let's go down to this last section, section C. Okay, so we've had positives, we've had negatives, now questions. Make question. So here it says, sample. The sentence says, you're Sam. We make a question, are you Sam? Okay, now, number 1, I'm in room 4. What is the question? What is the question? So if we remember the word order in questions, am I in room 4? Am I in room 4 would be the question. So here, okay, you're Sylvia. So if we look at this one, you're Sam, are you Sam? You're Sylvia. So we can look at that as an example and we can probably put capital A, are you, okay, Sylvia. Okay, are you Sylvia? Okay, number 3, I'm in class 3. Okay, question, am I in class 3? Am I in class 3? So, capital I, am I in class 3 would be the question. Okay, section D, complete the conversations. Use contractions where possible. So do you remember contractions? Like here, I'm, not I am. Okay, contraction, I'm. Contraction, you're. Okay, contractions. So here, a sample. Hello, are you Liz? No, I'm not, I'm Maria. Now, for this one, what's the question? The question is, am I in class 8? Am I in class 8? Like that. Am I in class 8? No, and then we want to put like either no you aren't, you're in class 6. Okay, so here we can put no you aren't. Okay, contraction, no you aren't, you're in class 6. Number 2, so we go from I to you. So now we've got to change that to are you in room 4? Are you in room 4? Okay. So this one, if we go back to the answer is no. Okay, so it's negative. So no, so we'll be looking at like this. Okay, see, I'm not Tony. So here we would put no, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm in room 5. Okay, number 3. Question. Are you Henry? And then, okay, now we can't put a contraction, otherwise it wouldn't make sense, you know. So here we've got to put the full word. So yes, I am. Nice to meet you. Number 4, again, I. So we need a question starting with am. Am I in your class? Okay, it's a positive. Yes, you are. We cannot use a contraction. That wouldn't make sense. Yes, you are. And then here, we can use a contraction. You know, like I'm your teacher. Okay, so that's a more in-depth look at the verb to be singular. Are you positive, negative, and questions? Okay, excellent. Let's fly back to page 5. Okay, so let's continue, and our next section is vocabulary. Section number 3, vocabulary. Numbers 0 to 10. In this bit, listen and circle the numbers you hear, A or B. Okay, we've got A, 4, 3, 2, 1, B, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's get this right. Let's listen and circle.
1.8.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So, I think I'm going to click on that one. Yep, so that was 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we're going to go back to we're going to go to page 116, Vocabulary Bank, Numbers and Days. To numbers 0 to 10, then we'll repeat.
1.9. Numbers and days.
Numbers and days.
1. 0 to 10.
0 to 10.
0.
0.
1.
1.
2.
2.
3.
3.
4.
4.
5.
5.
6.
6.
7.
7.
8.
8.
9.
9.
10.
10. Okay, now if I was to say numbers 0 to 10 in my normal speech, it would be something like this. I would go like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That would be my normal speed for saying numbers 0 to 10. So numbers and days. So we're also doing the days of the week. Now, there are 7 days in a week. Okay, we'll do the same again. We're going to listen.
1.14. Numbers and days. 2. Days of the week.
Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday.
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday.
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday.
Saturday,
Sunday,
Sunday. Okay, so we've got the days of the week. Under some of the words with more than one syllable, you can see here there's it's underlined, like there and there. And again, on these like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So the line means that this word is stressed. When we stress a word, we'd say the underlined part a little bit stronger. So you can see here, right? Z and E are underlined. So we'd go 0, 0. On here, 7, 7. In English language, we have word and sentence stress. Right now, we will learn more about stressing syllables as we go along. Don't need to worry about it at the moment. But what it means is that the part that's got the underline, we say it a little bit stronger. Okay? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Word stress. All right, so, okay. Here, note, capital letters. Yeah, days of the week are always capitalized, anywhere in the sentence. At the beginning, in the middle, or at the end. They always have a capital letter. Okay, let's have a look here. B, write the days of the week. So, now, today, for me, it's Wednesday. Now, for you, this could be Saturday, it could be Tuesday. Okay, but for me, it's Wednesday. So, we've got to make sure we've got a capital W. E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. So if today is Wednesday, tomorrow is Thursday. Tomorrow is Thursday. Capital T, H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. And then we have here the weekend. The weekend is Saturday and Sunday. Okay? The weekend is Saturday and Sunday. Just come across there. Capital S-U-N-D-A-Y. You will hear a lot of native English speakers or anyone that can speak English say, "What are you doing at the weekend?" So we mean, what are you doing on Saturday and Sunday? The weekend. Okay, that's our vocabulary. Numbers 0 to 10. And the days of the week. For me, today is Wednesday. That means tomorrow is Thursday. And the weekend is always Saturday and Sunday. Okay, let's return to the main point. Okay. Okay, so section C, it says, listen and say the next number. Listen and say the next number. Okay, example, 1, 2, 3, like that.
1.10. 1, 2,
3.
3.
Very good.
7, 8,
9.
9,
3, 4,
5.
5.
5.
8, 9,
10.
10,
10.
5, 6,
7.
7.
4, 5,
6.
6,
2, 3,
4.
4.
6, 7,
8.
8,
0, 1,
2.
2.
There we go. You should have all got that. Okay, now that was quite easy, I think. Now this time, listen and write the numbers you hear. Listen and write the numbers you hear. So, okay, so I'll give it a few seconds, then I'll write the number. But this is listening. Can I listen and understand what somebody is saying to me?
1.11.
Here we go.
1,
7,
Okay, 7,
2, 3,
3,
3,
0,
0,
4, 8,
8,
5,
9,
9,
6, 1,
1,
7,
4,
4,
8, 5,
5,
9,
6,
6,
10, 2,
2,
11,
10,
10. Okay. I hope you got all those like me. Okay, so those are numbers 0 to 10. Okay, right. So we go back to pronunciation here. Have a look at pronunciation again. So this is how we pronounce words. The English language sometimes can be a little bit difficult because we have like silent letters in the words that can like trip you up a little bit. Okay, but it's kind of learned by doing. All right, pronunciation. We got house. We've got I, bike, and we've got tree. Okay, and repeat the words and sounds.
1.12,
House.
House.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Harry.
Harry.
bike,
Bike. I.
I'm,
I'm.
nice,
Nice.
5,
5.
buy,
Buy.
Friday,
Friday.
Tree.
Tree.
E. Meet.
Meat.
C.
C.
3.
3. So we've got the first is like the beginning sound, H, which is the h sound. The second section is the long I, the I sound. And the third one is the long E sound. Okay. All right, B. Listen and say the sentences.
1.13. Hello, Harry.
Hello, Harry.
Hi, I'm Caroline.
Hi, I'm Caroline.
see you at 3,
See you at 3. So you can practice saying those sentences. So, okay, the first one, hello, Harry. Hello, Harry. The second one is the I sound. Hi, I'm Caroline. And the E sound. See you at 3. Pronunciation. Grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Okay. So we're nearly finished. We're nearly at the end of Unit 1A. Okay, so speaking. Practice with other students. Okay, so that's you. Okay, I'm the teacher. You're the student. Okay, so imagine we're in the class and I'm speaking to you. Okay, so, okay, I'm going to start first and I'm going to say, obviously I'm going to say my name, like Hi, I'm Richard. Are you David? Are you David? Now, okay, so that's my question. Are you David? Yes or no? Okay, if you are David, then it's yes, I am. Nice to meet you. I say nice to meet you. Now, you're probably not David. You're probably not David. So, you're going to say, no, I'm not. Hi, I'm Richard. Are you David? No, I'm not. What's your name? And then you say, okay, what is your name? Okay, nice to meet you. You say, nice to meet you. So it's kind of brief, short introduction. So vocabulary days of the week. Okay, well, we've done the days of the week. Okay, we've done numbers, we've done days of the week. And here again, listen and say the next day. Okay, if we remember, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, you get that? Okay, let's try this one.
1.15 Thursday, Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday,
Monday, Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Saturday, Sunday,
Monday,
Monday,
Friday, Saturday,
Sunday,
Sunday,
Tuesday, Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Sunday, Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday, Thursday,
Friday.
Friday,
Okay, I hope you've got all that. So today is Wednesday, as I'm recording this. Okay, so tomorrow is Thursday. Today is Wednesday, tomorrow is Thursday. So here we go. We are at the end of Unit 1A. It's been really great. Really enjoyed teaching 1A. It's the first class in your step to learn English. The longest journey starts with the first step. Unit 1A is the first step. I'm going to say goodbye, and I'm going to say not see you tomorrow. I'm going to say see you in Unit 1B, okay? So goodbye, see you in Unit 1B, okay? Take care. Thank you very much.